Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious lime sorbet right in your own kitchen. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients: fresh limes, granulated sugar, and water. You'll also need some basic kitchen tools like a saucepan, a whisk, and an ice cream maker. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you create a perfectly refreshing treat that's both easy and incredibly satisfying to make at home. Let's look at the first 8 boxes. Box 1 displays your total taxable wages, tips, and other compensation, which is your gross income for tax purposes. Boxes 2, 4, and 6 show the federal, Social Security, and Medicare taxes withheld, respectively. Box 3 reports your Social Security wages, up to the annual limit, which is often around $176,100. Box 5 shows your Medicare wages and tips, with no limit. Boxes 7 and 8 cover reported and allocated tips. Moving on to boxes 9 through 14. Box 9 is now obsolete. Box 10 reports any dependent care benefits your employer provided. Box 11 shows deferred compensation from non-qualified plans. Box 12 is very important, containing letter codes for various types of compensation, like health savings account contributions or employer-provided health insurance. Box 13 indicates if you are a statutory employee, participate in a retirement plan, or received third-party sick pay. Finally, Box 14 includes any other taxable income or deductions not listed elsewhere. Once you receive your W-2, keep it secure. You will use the information from this form to accurately prepare and file your federal and state income tax returns. Remember, you'll typically receive 6 copies. Copy A for the Social Security Administration, Copy 1 for your state, Copy 2 for your employee's state, Copy B for your federal tax return, Copy C for your records, and Copy D for your employer's records. If you notice any discrepancies, contact your employer right away to request a corrected W-2.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.